get cleaning. I just got back from a dog sit just for the weekend, but I need to get this room together. I have a lot to do. I need to get the room together. I have at least 2, maybe 3 videos to film for nails and a haul. And also just wanted to kind of yap with you guys while I clean. I need to get a new mic because my mic that I have does not work well with the DJI Action 5 that I'm filming on. So probably going to end up getting the DJI mic or the Rode mic. I'm not sure which one yet. If you have suggestions, definitely let me know in the comments. But this is what my room looks like right now. It may not look that bad as I feel it is. It not look that bad, but there's a lot I need to do. I need to unpack that, put those clothes away, unpack my gym bag, clean off bed, and I still need to shower and all that. So that's what we're about to do. We're about to just clean and kind of get ready for the week. So you can clean with me. We're gonna listen to the Hamilton soundtrack while I clean because that's just my go-to. I still need to listen to Justin Bieber's new album. I will do that, but I want to clean today, and Hamilton will get me through the cleaning. So that's what we're gonna do. Literally I'll listen to the whole album, soundtrack, whatever you want to call it, from start to end. No skips. Dropped in the middle of a forgotten spot in the Caribbean. Said this kid is insane, man. Took up a collection just to send up to the man. Just you wait. Just you wait. You can't be a new man in New York. Just you wait. What's your name? Alexander Hamilton. Yes, I put my suitcase on the bed on a blanket and then I can wash the blanket. It's not that deep. Like I said, I was so stupid of yours. I'm not a person. It's a blur. So you punched the bursar. Yes. I wanted to live with you, DJ. I was dating 2 years. He looked at me like I was stupid. I'm not stupid. So I had to do it. I had to graduate so fast. It was up and I started wish before they passed. Well, Northern, of course. Oh, I'm literally about to use this suitcase again this weekend. I'm going to a wedding in Memphis. So this pretty much stays. This is like my just regular stays. I refill this when I need to, but this I need to take out and because I'm really only going to the wedding. I don't think we're doing anything else, so not much to really pack besides sleep, the dress that I'm wearing for the wedding, and what to wear on the way back. Maybe one little outfit in case we have time, but I don't think we will. So matter of fact, I think I'm just gonna start packing now because I'm literally leaving Saturday. I'm not gonna, I'm just gonna pack it. Hold on. These are my 2 options. I have this one and this yellowish one. I'm probably gonna end up wearing this one because I have this. This one's gonna be for another wedding. But whichever one I don't wear to this wedding, I'm gonna wear to another wedding. So, shiny people go. Unimpeachable, only 19, but my mind is older. Colder, I shoulder. It'll vanish. But the situation is fraught. If you let it carefully taught, if you're taught, you're gonna get shot. That's what you got. Lancelot. Bones, I like you a lot. Come on, I pop from the awesome. This is not all of it. This is because I still need to pack the sleep that I'm gonna wash today. Probably need to refill some of my toiletries and some other stuff, but I'll show you what I got. So this shirt goes to this shirt is like a lounge set with some pants that I wore this week, so I need to wash that. 2 dresses, outfit for on the way back, and or, you know, if we do something. And then my toiletries and stuff is on this side. Shoes. I don't even know if I decided. Oh, I know what shoes I'm gonna wear. Hold on, I'm gonna go get them. Sandals, little whatever sandals. Rise up, rise up. Where I come from, some get half as many as fast. There's plenty. Scratch that. Promised land, and if we win our independence, there's a guarantee of freedom for our descendants. Oh, I know the action in the street is exciting, but Jesus, between all the bleeding and fighting, I've been reading and writing, and Liza and Peggy, the Scholar Sisters. Yo, this is my new content bag, because now that I got this camera, I got a lot of accessories. So I got the camera holder, the battery, I got a tripod in here, the extension rod, this little tripod here. Some of this came with the camera, by the way, and some of it I bought. SD card reader, mics. These mics only work for my phone and iPad, so I need to get one for the actual camera. Another chargers, and I might end up getting another camera, but we'll talk about that one later. Whoa, work. Someone in a rush needs someone looking pretty. Excuse me, miss, I know what's up, but your perfume smell like a daddy's got money. Oh, so you disgust me. I'm a trust fund, baby. You could trust me. Greatest city, in the greatest city in the world. Angelica, and a solution. Don't let them leave. Screams revolution. Revolution. It's your interest to say. Gym clothes go separately. And the war for your love, for your praise. Cause when push comes to shove, I da 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 da. Rise up, rise up. Here comes the general. Here comes the general. When the people I'm leading keep retreating. But Hamilton still wants to fight, not right. The boy is mine. Since I was a child, counting it up. I'm not gonna sing out. Do 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 do. This guy is supposed to Ben went to Uptown or Player's Closet or something. So. To an eyes. Watch this, y'all. I've shown this before on my channel, but this is so cool. More storage. And there's Angelica Silence. Those are pillows that I haven't gotten pillowcases for, like decorative pillows. And you see it, right? Everything is in a total agreement. It's a something in the dance. Does nobody else just have like an abundance of chargers laying around? The issue is they're starting to change everything to that USB-C. So these chargers, like the Android Light chargers, don't work anymore for a lot of stuff. So I literally only have this for my speaker. The headphones that are from the same brand, JBL, take the USB-C. What is happening? And it's this tiny little thing. You will never find it. Okay. Fine. So it's pretty much together now for the most part. I eventually want to get rid of this and get an actual dresser. I originally got it because I didn't want a dresser, but now I do want a dresser. This camera kind of gets kind of hot. But yeah, so the rest of it, The bed's made as much as it's gonna be made. I need to get rid of that. I don't use that printer anymore, but I feel like as soon as I get rid of it is when I'm going to need it. So, okay. So, we're gonna clean off. I'm gonna clean off this my vanity because I'm gonna do my nails here too. And then I'm gonna shower, probably eat because it's 2:25 and I haven't ate since like I ate at like 11. That should be okay. I'm gonna shower, film the haul, and then kind of go from there. Thanks, beauties.